Hello, dear customers. In today's video, we'll be looking at 3 helpful tips for filing a roof repair claim. Discover useful information to make the process easier and more efficient. When filing a roofing repair claim, thoroughly document the damage with photos and detailed notes. This evidence will strengthen your claim and help speed up the process with your insurance company. Next, review your insurance policy to understand what's covered. Finally, contact a trusted contractor who can provide a professional assessment and estimate for repairs. Following these steps ensures a smoother, more efficient claims process. As part of our services, we manage the claims process for our clients. Thanks to our extensive experience in dealing with insurance companies, we know how to complete the information in an organized and appropriate manner to guarantee a result in favor of our clients. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the video helpful. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll cover another important topic for you.